What's up, people? It's your boy Pastor Matic, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to style your box braids. Stay tuned. What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and you're trying to grow your hair, learn how to cut hair, or any hair related type stuff, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be updated anytime I post a video. Come on, join the team. And also thank you guys for getting me to 200 subs. Let's get to 1,000. Alright, so like you already read the title, what this is about. How to style your box braids. Oh, and yeah, I still got my diamond box braids in that I got like about a week and a half ago. But yeah, you know, they still look fresh. Still rocking them to the fullest. Let me show you guys real quick how I style them. So the very first style like I ever did with my box braids, like when I first got them, is this style that I like to call the ASAP Rocky. I take half of my hair from the back of my head. I leave out about a good amount, about like 2 or 3 rows on the sides. And I'll just put the section in the back. In a bun or a ponytail. This that style I call the ASAP Rocky. It's like 2 styles in one. You know what I'm saying? There's that fly guy style. There's that Mr. Cool style. You know what I'm saying? And if your hair got some length, like you could do numbers with this style. Especially if you got that fresh temp fade and shape up. Oh yeah, I need one. But I've been mad busy, so I can't even cut my own hair right now. So, there's that ASAP Rocky. Everybody should have tried this style. My second go-to style is I'll take my braids, put it down, straight down the middle. This works great if you got like a center part or a middle part. And I just bring them all together, all the way to the back. Check again. Bring them all the way to the back. And I put a rubber band where that's what I got. And I make a nice little ponytail or bun. And I do the same on the other side. And this style gets your hair out your face. Like if you at the gym, whatever, you playing ball, you know, you working out, my guy. Just get your hair out your face. And you could do whatever you gotta do, and it's pretty stylish. Like again, once I say you got that fresh cut in, I'm looking kind of rusty right now, but it is what it is. So this is that second style. I like to leave down like about 2 of these guys in the front and just put the rest of them up in a pineapple. And there you have it. Got that nice little pineapple on the top. But sometimes I'll leave 3 of them down because, you know, that give me that little extra flex that I need, you know what I'm saying? That gives me that little pastomatic right there. Or sometimes you could put all of them up and just leave 2 down. Just flex like that. But you know, everyone is unique. Everyone wanna do their own thing, their own fly. I hope you guys are unique and you want your own fly and you got your own style and your own game. You know what I'm saying? So that's that pineapple. I look fire with it. You could put everything in a pineapple or in a bun. That's the pretty basic or standard stuff. Just put everything up there. Make sure they're nice, tight, and tucked away. But for this one, you need a lot more of hair so you know they will stay in place and all that. You can see mine. I just got the right amount. Damn, I need a haircut. Shit would have been on fleek right now if I had a cut. Another one you could do is take these hairs right here, make a nice little middle part, and just not really braid, but you know, stitch these in as you get down to the bottom of it, and just keep adding more hair and stitch as you go down. Stitching. Before you know it, you would have like 2 French braids coming down like that with your box braids, and that looks pretty dope. If you want to see more videos like this, click on this video right here. Yeah, that one. And even if you want to learn how to grow your hair, buddy, I got you, player.